Hello everyone. Today we are going to explain how water pump works. That I will show you in this model. This is a model of water pump and I will show you how a model of water pump works. What is the principle behind working of a hand pump? That I will show you. You see, there are various parts here. We can open it, right? You see, we open this part, right? Now I'll explain how this works, how the water pump works. If you also pull this one, you see, this is what we call it as piston. You see here, we call this one as piston. I'll show you how it works in hand pump, right? Actually, there are two check valves. Here you see, there is one check valve is here and there is another check valve we have put here. You see, we have taken a ball. You see, this is a metallic ball. You see here, this is a metallic ball. And you see here, there is a hole here and we'll put this ball here and act as a check valve. You see here, this is the metallic ball and we put this here to work as a check valve here. You see here, this hole, right? We'll put this ball to act as a valve. You see here, we put this ball here and it is acting as a check valve, right? Now you see how it is working. You see here, we put this ball here, right? And you see how it works. Now here you see, there is another check valve is here. There is another check valve, this one. How it is working, that I am going to explain how it is working. You see here, we put this one, and if we, what happens in the case of how it works, that I am going to explain. Whenever we press this handle, the piston moves up. You see here, the piston moves up. Whenever the piston moves up, the check valve near this one opens and the water goes in this pipe, right? And now whenever we move up the handle, we are moving up the handle. Whenever we move up the handle, the check valve in this rod opens and the water flows through here, flows in this pipe. And whenever we press this handle, the water goes in this and comes out through this outlet. You see here, in this way, the water comes out. Now I will show you how it is working, right? We'll take some water and we'll show you how the water pump is working. Again, I am explaining how it works. I told you that there are two check valves. Here you see, there is one check valve is here. You see here, one check valve is here and there is another check valve in this pipe. You see here, there is a hole here and we put a metallic ball and it acts as a check valve. You see here, we are putting this metallic ball here, right? And there are two valves, one valve is here and another valve is check valve is here, right? Here you see. Right? That is when we press this handle. Whenever we press this handle, the check valve near it opens up. In this case here, whenever we press this handle, the check valve opens here and the water goes through this pipe. You see here, whenever we press this handle, the check valve here opens and the water comes up, right? And whenever we make the handle upwards, it goes down, that this check valve opens and this check valve closes. This check valve will close, but this check valve will open and the water goes up, right? And whenever we again press this, the water comes through here and comes through this pipe to the outlet. In this way, the pump works. Now we'll show you a demonstration that how it is working, right? Now you see how the water comes from here to here through this principle, right? Now you see, and there is a, due to pressure difference, air pressure difference, the water comes through this outlet. Let us see. Now I will show you a demonstration of how this water is coming from here to here. Now you see. Now you see, we will give a demonstration how the water is coming through this outlet. You see, we will pull this piston upward so that the water comes up. Let us see how it is work. You see, the water is falling, but slowly. You see here, in this way the water pump works. You see here, the water is falling or slowly, but it works. We are pulling the piston up and down, and you see the water is falling through this outlet. You see here, right? In this way the water pump works. Again I am showing you how it works. You can see how the water pump works. You can see here, whenever we pull this piston, the water comes up and it flows through the outlet of this pipe. You see here how it is working. You see here, we are putting the piston ups and down, and see the water is falling through this outlet. You see, water is falling through this outlet. You see here, in this way water pump works. I already told you that there are two valves, one at this end and the other one is there. You see, water is falling in this way through the outlet, and the water pump works in this way. You see, we are pulling the piston up and down, and you see that is water is falling through the outlet. You see, the water is falling continuously, and we are pulling the, see how the water falls. You see here, yes, it is working very, and it is in cyclic process. This water comes again through the pipe, and you see we are falling, this water is falling through the outlet. You see here how the water falls and we are working, right? If we put this one and working this way, it is not working. That's why you are pulling the piston up and down to make it work. Let us see once again if this works. No, it is not working, right? Since this is a model only, but I will explain, I have explained how it works. It is not working, but if we pull the piston up and down, it will work, and the water will come through the outlet. You see here, you see here, you can see that how the water is coming out through this outlet. You see, water is falling through the outlet, and in this way the water pump works. You see here how it is working. You see water is falling through the outlet, and you are putting the piston up and down, because there are two valves, I already told you, and in this way the water pump works. You see here how the water pump works. Water pump works in this way. You see how water is coming out through the outlet. In this way the water pump works. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. We have shown you how the principle of check valves work in this way, and in this way the water comes out through the water pump. You see, this is a model, and you can see here whenever we pull the piston up and down, water comes out through the outlet. You see here. You see here how the water is coming through the outlet. We are pulling the piston up and down, and water is coming through the outlet. You see here. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.